Welcome back. And just walking down here, we're gonna go into the Rainbow House of my Better Off Being Dead server. Right here. And there we go. Look at this. Bed here, bed there, and a bed there. Voila. My three favorite colors, purple, blue, green. I don't know, I have a pig in here. A piggy. Just hanging out. Alright. Cool. He's cool. Cool. There we go. My cousin's little house. That's how big she needs her bed. She's something.